The reason you're still broke isn't your job, it's your habits. Most people stay poor not because of their job, but because of their mindset. Here are 5 habits silently ruining your financial future. Habit 1. Spending before earning. Buying things on credit. Upgrading lifestyle before increasing income. It feels like growth, but it's debt in disguise. Habit 2. No budget. If you don't tell your money where to go, it disappears. Rich people budget. Poor people guess. Habit 3. Emotional purchases. Buying based on stress, boredom, or envy. These are financial landmines. Wait 24 hours before buying anything non-essential. Habit 4. Short-term thinking, chasing trends. Ignoring investments. The wealthy think in decades, not weekends. Habit 5. Blaming others. Your background is not your ceiling. Take ownership. Every financial decision is a step, forward or backward. Fix these 5 habits, and your future self will thank you.